Hello friends, the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve rapidly, attracting more and more newcomers eager to try their hand at trading digital assets. But how do you start if you're just entering this exciting world? Registration, funding your account, choosing a reliable exchange. These steps can raise many questions for those just beginning. Today, I will share with you how to easily and conveniently start your journey in the world of cryptocurrencies, using the Weex Exchange as an example. It's a modern, reliable, and multifunctional platform suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. In this video, you will learn how to quickly register on Weex, how to safely fund your account, and how to execute your first trade. To make your start in the world of cryptocurrencies even more exciting, I've prepared a registration link with a promo code in the description. Don't forget to use it to receive your additional bonuses and start with advantages. Before diving into the exciting world of trading, make sure to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. This way, you'll always be up to date with new episodes and won't miss important tips and current news that will help you on your journey. Weex is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange that focuses on security, low fees, and ease of use. It has already established itself as a platform with high liquidity and offers opportunities for both spot trading and derivatives. Weex supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including BTC, ETH, USDT, and others. The exchange actively implements modern technologies such as algorithmic trading and various investment tools. To start trading, follow these steps. Click the link in the description. It will redirect you to the registration page. Enter your email address or phone number, create a password, and if available, enter a referral code. Confirm your agreement with the terms of use. Click the register button and enter the verification code you receive by email or SMS. Done. Your account is created. Why is two-factor authentication important? 2FA provides an additional layer of security for your account. Even if an attacker learns your password, without the second factor, such as a code from an app or SMS, they won't be able to access your account. This is especially crucial for financial platforms where protecting your funds is a top priority. It is recommended to enable 2FA immediately after registering on Weex to ensure the highest level of protection for your account and funds. On the Weex crypto exchange, the following two-factor authentication methods are available to ensure account security. Authenticator apps. Weex supports the use of apps like Google Authenticator and Authy. Once you link the app to your account using a QR code, you'll need to enter a 6-digit code each time you log in or perform important operations. Email confirmation. Receive codes via email for additional verification. Phone number confirmation. Use SMS-based codes for an extra layer of security. If you want to deepen your knowledge, stay updated on the latest market news, and understand the nuances of cryptocurrencies, be sure to check out our Telegram channel. Here you'll find current publications, live sessions with professional traders, a trading chat for communication and learning, as well as the freshest news. Don't miss your chance. The link is in the description. Identity verification or KYC is not mandatory on Weex, allowing you to freely trade, deposit, and withdraw funds without the need for identity verification. However, completing the KYC process provides access to additional features, such as increased withdrawal limits. Let's look at the verification process. Select the verification or KYC option in your account settings. Enter your full name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Upload a photo of your identity document, passport or driver's license, and take a selfie with this document. Confirm the submission of your data and wait for the verification to be completed. After successful verification, you will receive a notification and your account will be updated with new limits and features. Weex offers the ability to conduct cryptocurrency transfers, supporting popular tokens such as USDT, BTC, ETH, and others. To deposit funds, go to the deposit section on the main page. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and specify the network, Ethereum, BSC, Solana, and etc. Copy the provided wallet address. In your external wallet, initiate a transfer to the copied address, ensuring that the network matches. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. After confirmation, the funds will be credited to your Weex account. Withdrawals are only available after activating all security levels. This is necessary for your protection. Now that you've registered and funded your account, it's time to buy your first cryptocurrency. In the top menu, select Spot. I'll demonstrate with BTC, but you can choose any available coin. The process will be similar. In the search bar, enter BTC USDT and click on the desired pair. The trading interface will open with an order placement window in the center. In the trading interface, choose the type of order, market or limit. A market order allows you to buy at the current price. Enter the amount in USDT and click Buy BTC. The transaction will occur instantly. A limit order lets you buy at your specified price. Enter the price per 1 BTC and the desired amount. The order will execute when the market reaches that level. After the order is fulfilled, BTC will appear in your spot balance. Now you have all the necessary knowledge to register and make your first cryptocurrency purchase on the Weex platform. I hope this guide was helpful and opened the doors for you to the world of digital assets. Share in the comments which exchanges have become your favorites and which features are most important to you. Security, fees, rare tokens, or user-friendly interface. Your feedback will help other users in choosing a platform. Don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, and join our Telegram group. All links can be found in the description. See you in the next episodes.